Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going on a special mission. I'm going to be picking up my boy Jono shortly, and we head into a place called 100 Steps. Now 100 Steps is a place that I actually used to visit a lot when I was much younger, and they had 100 steps leading down to it, but it was really more like, I can't remember, it wasn't 100 steps exactly. It was a nice kind of secluded beach. Not everybody knew about it. However, over the years there have been a bit of a landslide and different kind of things happening to the pathway there. So I think it's still very accessible, but it requires a bit more of a climb down. So we're gonna go and check it out, of course show you guys how to get there and really see what the scene is about it. This video is sponsored by my buddy Jose from Hybrid Solution Diagnostic, which is an amazing educational YouTube channel. If you're interested in hybrid and electric vehicles, this is something you should definitely check out. And then of course give them a subscribe and follow. They've been really kind to help out the video, as many other sponsors have. If you are in Trinidad and Tobago at any point in time, they also have the Hybrid Solution Diagnostic Service Department, which is fantastic for your hybrid vehicle. Thank you very much again. I of course will link their Instagram and different pages below for you to go and check them out. Let's go and check out this beach, guys. Come along with me. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're back with Jono again. Jono, say hi.
Hello, hello.
You know, we missed him. He's been very busy raising a family and a child. So, oh gosh, these cars. Anyway, moving on. So as I said, we're going 100 steps today. And right now, where are we, Jono?
Las Cuevas parking lot.
Right, so we had Las Cuevas parking lot.
The one up top.
The one on top, yes. Not inside Las Cuevas, but the one that you can park outside. So with that said, let the car pass. Moving on. Right, so how to get to where we're going today? You know, of course, it's pretty much one straight road most of the way. So you're passing Maracas, you're passing Las Cuevas. So from Las Cuevas, we're going to give you a bit of a video guide going down there now.
Correct.
And we'll give you a landmark and some signage along the way. And of course, instructions as to where to turn off. This spot could be a little hard to find.
Yeah, you can miss it very easily. So you have to make sure and look at the video and take the correct turn.
Exactly. And of course, we'll give you the correct directions as usual. But as opposed to many other beaches that we go to, this one is really a kind of random turn off at the side of the road. So you may very well miss it if you're not careful. From there, it'll be just a video showing you how to get to the beach itself. So welcome back to Jono. Everybody must be super excited. How's raising that family going?
It's good. It's good.
It's good. Are you proud of yourself?
Kinda, I guess.
Who is more important, me or your family?
My family, definitely, 100%.
And that's why I'm looking for new co-hosts on Trinity Surfer. Trinity Surfer's channel is always more important than the family, guys. You must always support yourselves before thinking about others in your family.
Negative.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Let's go. Alright guys, so you would have seen us driving along the road getting to this point right here, and I'm going to show you the small but vital landmarks that you're looking out for. So let me show you very quickly. It's in the middle of the road, so it just looks like a little turn off to our driveway. And when you get to this point, you'll see a sign that says land for sale over there and a blue barrel. That road is on the right hand side. There's a road on the complete opposite side.
So it says Mitchell Trace. This is where we're turning down, guys, to get to 100 steps. Left-hand turn off of the road.
So we just turned off the road right down inside the track here. Now the track goes down significantly further, but I advise only doing this with trucks or 4x4 vehicles, also at your own risk, because it is a little bit secluded and I can't promise that there can never be a break into a car or something of that nature. In fact, this beach on the whole, especially on the weekdays, can be a little secluded. I'm not saying it's unsafe, but you know it's Trinidad and you always just have to be a little extra careful. So if you do come with a car, park in this general area right here. Do not go down because the track may be too rough for you. However, if you're feeling safe and you're feeling brave and you have a 4x4, you could probably drive down a little further to save yourself some walking distance. So we're gonna head down now.
Alright guys, so Alan is parking currently, and this is the other parking area for 4x4s. We do not suggest any cars come down here because it's a little bit rough. And now we're heading to the entrance of the 100 steps. So this landmark right here, 100 steps, is how you know for sure that you're on the right path.
Obviously the name of this place is 100 steps. As I mentioned before, it's not actually 100 steps. Well, now it's definitely not 100 steps because of all the land erosion and stuff. But you see behind me the remnants of the staircase itself that once was. So there is still a few steps here. But now where we're gonna go, you're gonna see why it's no longer completely 100 steps. It's more like 40 steps on our climb.
Alright, so Alan's heading down on the rope now. They have grooves in the rocks so you can place your feet. So just use the combination of the ropes and the grooves in the rock and you should get down safely. Let's check out Alan.
I'm like Ninja Warrior.
Alan, you're safe?
I'm safe. A-okay.
Skills, boy! Skills! Garbage. More garbage. Alright, so we just got down the rope. We can see the beach from here. There's a fork going left and then going right. You want to take the right, okay? Let me show you guys what we're working with. So this way is where we don't even know where it goes, but we would like to explore. And then this way is the right path where Alan is standing up right down there. Another little rope section.
Yeah. So just a point to note as well that there is like 2 rope sections. It's not really as difficult as it may appear on camera, or maybe it seems very easy on camera. But it's not hard if you take your time and you kind of get down low. If you're not a climber, you're not a super fit person, you can still do this. Be careful, no rush, but you can do it.
Alright, so we now reach the last part of the hike, which is just a bunch of stairs going left and right. It took us about 8 minutes for the most. Really easy hike and a really great reward.
So guys, this is your first look at the beautiful 100 Steps beach. As you can see, it's not like a super large beach in any way, but still like really beautiful. Great for a little lime or to bring the family. Normally as well, the waters are pretty calm here and it's not a steep drop off when you walk out. So it's actually not bad for people who are not strong swimmers per se, but I would never recommend you to go in any ocean or anywhere without a lot of guidance and help if it is you know you're not confident in your swimming ability. So please keep that in mind. But this beach is absolutely beautiful. Now there's some times where you look behind me over there. This is to the right hand side of the beach. There's another bay which is Filet kind of fishing village around the corner, and sometimes on low tide you could kind of get around there. You may have to swim a little bit, but I don't recommend it on high tide. As well as you'll see Jono is up there climbing right now. There's another small little beach on that side as well that you could access, but you may have to swim a little bit or get wet. We're gonna see if we could go wrong, but if not, no problem. We chilling here for the day, and yeah, we'll explore a little bit more. Very common in my videos now, which is a huge disappointment, but the only way to do it is talk about it. You guessed it, the garbage everywhere we go. You know, plastic bags, a full cooler. You know, I know a lot of garbage comes in from the oceans and that kind of stuff, but I mean, a whole styrofoam cooler full with snacks and beer bottles, and as humans, and we really had to do better. Like, just take it home. You know, you came to this beach because you wanted to come somewhere beautiful, but then you leave everything here as if it's just gonna go away magically. It doesn't, and it's really bad. I mean, I feel like the world knows this now, so Trinidad has to catch up. I know a lot of people are caught up in Trinidad, but whoever you are, if you're watching this video, I ain't trying to be no stupid man towards you. I just ask him kindly, like, it's okay to change, it's okay to not do this kind of stuff anymore. Just switch up the attitude a little bit, and I bet you will enjoy the beach a lot more and the rivers as well. Guaranteed, promise. So please, let me try a little bit harder, just a little bit.
Alright guys, so I haven't been on this beach since 2014, so I'm a little excited. Gonna explore a little bit. Alright, come along with me. So this is towards the end of the beach. A little rocky, so be careful. I'm running it barefoot right now. Not advised. This place is absolutely beautiful, by the way, guys. Reminds me of Tobago, to be very honest. Gonna try to keep on going right behind me. Try to see if I can get onto the next beach. So I'm not sure if this beach classifies as 100 steps as well, but it's a nice little beach. Not much beach, to be very honest. A lot of fishermen outside, a lot of crabs running free. They're running away from me right now. Come here, crabs. Come here, crabs. Beautiful water. Barely any beach though. I'm not sure of the tide right now, but it seems very high on this beach. We have no beach to work with. Nowhere to sit really. Alright guys, so I just got out of the water. Super beautiful day, as you can see. The water has a real gradual drop off. Great for swimming. Crystal clear waters. No problems really. Really nice place to take a dip. Really enjoyed it. As always though guys, be wary of the ocean, okay? They could have currents that you're not seeing at all that just take you, okay? So be careful, please, please, please.
Well guys, that brings our video to a conclusion. This beach is absolutely beautiful. I'm shocked I haven't been here in so many years, Red. You know?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It is 10 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Like 1 out of 10 for surfing, but 10 out of 10 as a beach and for swimmers and for chill vibes and stuff for sure, you know?
Great for chilling.
Great for chilling. I would say it's maybe about 5 out of 10 challenging to get here, just because there's some spots that are definitely not like handicap accessible. You have to have a little body strength to lower yourself down and get through to this beach itself. It's not a straightforward walk down like many other beaches. You have to climb a little bit, you have to lower yourself down.
Yeah.
But ultimately, like, what do you say? How difficult is it?
Not hard. Not hard. Once you live in, pretty capable.
Yeah. Once you can walk and have some upper body strength, you're good to go. So again, thank you to my sponsor Jose from Hybrid Solution Diagnostics. If you have a hybrid car in Trinidad and Tobago, check them out. Great service, great everything, and also his YouTube channel is fantastic and educational right here in Sweet TNT. So please go across, subscribe and check him out. Everybody in Trinidad, so many content creators are doing fantastic things and I love to support them. So big up for him for sponsoring this YouTube, and thank you very much again, Jose. I hope your channel gets all the love it deserves.
Thanks, Jose.
Thanks, Jose. So yeah guys, check out 100 Steps. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. And if you are interested in sponsoring a Trini Surfer video, reach out to me via email, Instagram, and we can discuss the packages I have that are right for you, whether it's a local business or a product. Hit me up, I can help you and you can help me. Everybody wins, that's the moral of the story. Jono?
We out.
We out.
Alright, so we would like to end the video on a timely message. Alright, we don't even need to say anything. The signs are here for you.